Did you know that the origin of sourdough can be traced all the way back to ancient Egypt 1500 BC? The sourness from sourdough bread comes from fermentation that occurs in sourdough starters. It has been used for centuries as a leavening agent predating commercial yeast, which gives it the tangy flavor, chewy texture, and crispy crust. Traditionally, sourdough bread bakers would make sourdough starters and leave them for 5 to 7 days before incorporating them in recipes. They have to be fed and maintained daily.
If you are leading a hectic lifestyle but still craving for delicious bread, our innovative solution is the perfect choice for you. Say goodbye to the hassle and embrace the convenience of our ready-to-use sourdough, and dive right into the enchantment of baking. Attention all sourdough lovers and enthusiasts, our Panettone flour is suitable to refresh your sourdough starters due to its high protein content.
Gotta work for the both of us. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes. I'll put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control in the name of love.
Alright, what's up guys? So now we'll be doing a sensory evaluation in the office of these three breads. So A, B and C. So they won't know which one is it. We'll ask a few questions. And now let's get our colleague Christina to come and try it out. Christina, come right in. Alright Christina, if you would just proceed over to the tasting area. We have three different types of bread, A, B and C. Do me a favor and try each one of them. So let's try each one of them. That's a big mouthful right there. It's big. Okay, now she's gonna try B. Okay. So now Christina will try C. Okay, Christina, so out of these three, which one do you like the best?
I like this one.
B. Okay, that's 1 point to B. Okay, so out of these three, which one gives off the best aroma?
This one.
Also B. Okay, what about taste? Just taste.
This.
This time it's C. Okay, so if you were to enter a supermarket and all these are for sale, which one would you get?
Most likely B and C.
B and C as well. Looks like they are taking the lead. Okay, and last one. Out of all these three, which one has the best appearance?
I think C.
C, alright. Alright guys, as you can see, the winners of this evaluation are B and C. So let's review what B and C are. So A is actually the control. B is the nausea sourdough pre-made starter, which you can buy on Shopee or Lazada. And C is the one that we made from scratch using La Manitoba flour.
Norcia is a dehydrated sourdough from rye flour and malt that gives a very high acidity profile, a unique aroma, delicious taste, and dark color. Sienna is a dehydrated sourdough from rye flour and malt that gives a wide range of final products with a pleasant acidity profile, a unique aroma, delicious taste, and golden color.
If you are a staunch believer and follower of the traditional sourdough method, you can choose from our La Manitoba or Panettone. However, if you prefer a more convenient and an efficient-like method, you can check out our various sourdoughs. All links are in the description below. With our products, you can maintain the same great taste every time you bake.
All thanks to having greater control over your sourdough.